All right, Bosch dishwasher not starting, beeping. Okay, so when you try to start your Bosch dishwasher and it starts beeping and won't start when you shut it, I'm gonna show you why this is doing it and how to fix it. All right, so say for instance you have your dishes completely loaded inside of your dishwasher, right? They're all loaded. You've already made your selection for how to wash your dishes. All right. And then you want to go ahead and start it. So I go ahead and push it and you hear a beeping noise and it's blinking down there. All right. So you don't want that. You want it to actually start. And so what you do is go ahead and open this up and then you're going to go ahead and press the start button. All right. And after you press start, you only have a few seconds to shut it or else it's going to start beeping again. See, I waited too long. Now watch what happens when I shut it. It starts beeping again. All right, so this time I'm going to go ahead and press the start button and I'm going to shut it really quickly. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press start and I'm going to shut it. There you have it. Now the Bosch dishwasher is starting to wash the dishes. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.